you're currently learning to sail or struggling with your confidence, then this video is for you. Join me as I actually skipper my own boat for the first time in 20 knots of wind. I usually sail with either my boyfriend or my dad, and I'm always still looking to them for reassurance, so I thought it's about time I learned to take charge and think for myself. This video is raw footage, so apologies for the sound and editing. And you're also going to see me make loads of mistakes too. I had 2 reefs in my mainsail, and as my head sail isn't furling, I wasn't confident in putting it up in case I got too overpowered. If you've watched my previous videos, I hope I've managed to capture how big the jump is from crew to skipper. I was joined by my friend Kay, who is probably, I would say, a similar ability to me. She knows her way around a boat and she's got no fear, making her the perfect crew for me that day. Once we got the main up, we headed further out and thought we'd practice some tacking and jibing. Right, so if you start turning around, So the mistake I've made here is that I'd completely forgotten I was actually using my traveller as well as my main sheet to depower the mainsail because it was so windy. And when I went to put this tack in, I just thought where I'd gone wrong is that we'd maybe put a full lock on the tiller too soon. It was something to do with the rudder, and of course it's not. What I should have done is let a bit more slack off on the main so I could bring in my traveller, and then started to bring in the main sheet as the boat was turning. Of course, legal action isn't going to tack. She's not going to go anywhere because the wind can't get around the other side of the sail. It's totally obvious now I'm watching it back, but it took me a while to figure it out, I'll be honest. I'm pretty sure that the second attempt attack didn't work out because we didn't have enough speed, but if anyone's got any other suggestions, let me know. Yeah, just get some momentum going. The boat ahead of us was a fishing trawler and it was actually dragging a net, so we didn't have right of way at all. It was restricted manoeuvring. Started to head back towards the coastline. I could see there was a huge dredger that looked like a shipping tanker coming out of the channel, and we were heading straight for it, so I wanted to jump back and put my engine on just so I had that control to be able to get out of the way if needs be. I learned in this situation that when you're dealing with hazards, the best thing is to do is just focus on the task in hand and don't rush what you're doing. The reason being is you forget what you're doing. You can see here I forgot to put my choke on, I forgot to take the choke off, I then forgot to put revs on before I started trying to get the engine going, and then I'm panicking that my engine's not going to start. So yeah, just take your time and focus on what you need to do and everything will be fine.